Good morning, guys, from the center of Copenhagen. It is currently 3:55 a.m. in the morning, and I'm about to take the car to the Danish countryside. We're gonna use drones to find fawns in the fields and save them before the lawnmower comes and cuts the field, okay? So that's why we're leaving so early, to be able to use the thermal camera, because after the sunrise it would be practically impossible. So let's hit the road. I have brought a pair of rubber boots because we're gonna walk in the field. It's probably quite wet, so better to be prepared than to get completely wet feet. So in order to catch the fawn, we need to have such gloves on, not to mark our smell on the animal itself, right? Because then the mother will have a harder time to find it, and she'll probably maybe not recognize the fawn's specific smell, okay? So this is why we have these gloves. You can see the farmer out there also walks around with a cardboard box. When we catch the fawn, I hope so, we will put it into the cardboard box and just move it into the forest so that the field here is cleared before the machine comes and cuts the grass. Okay, so now we found, with the drone, we found a fawn. We have the rubber boots on because it's really wet. Let's see. Kusin? Nej. So we literally saw this really cute fawn. It was so small, and I didn't expect, honestly, that it could run, but it ran away. So now we're continuing. Now we're looking for it. Our drone pilot is sitting in the car, and he's inspecting the field with the drone, and through a walkie-talkie he's telling us where to go. I've never been on such a hunt before. It's really cool. Oh, it's some really wild plants here. So now, after finding the fawn, I really start to think how useful thermal cameras and drones really are, because you can see in this type of surface, it is practically impossible to find the fawns that are normally quite small. And with a drone, you can just scan hundreds of square meters in no time and find exactly what you need. So after we captured the entire field with the drone and identified that one fawn that fortunately was big enough to run on its own, we could assure the farmer that everything was clear and that he could start cutting the grass on the field. without killing the fawns.